If you just tuned in, we are getting ready to do a quick 15-minute walking workout that you can do for a quick workout at home or on your lunch break at work. This 15-minute workout is a quick one, but it's sure to give you a calorie burn. As always, I love to hear from you, so leave me a comment down below. And then if you have not already, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share with somebody else and hit that subscribe button. I hope that you guys enjoy this workout. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and march it out here. March it out. All right, let's go into that step touch here. This is a quick workout to get you feeling good wherever you are, no matter the time of day. We walk it out in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Woo! Pump those arms. We walk it up in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Oh! Woo! Do you feel it good wherever you are? If not, by the end of this workout, you should. Woo! March it out. I know that you will feel good by the end of this workout. Go back into that step touch. Here we go. Ho! Ho! Woo! Let's go ahead and choose those leg curls. Let's go here. Woo! Give me 2. Bump, 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 bump. 2 more. Last one. March it out here. Let's go. Hop, hop. Woo! Tap it out. Let's go. Tap. All right, we're going to go into front taps. It's 4, 3. Now, step touch. 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Tap it out. Step touch. Hop. Let's go. Tap 4, 3, 2. Step touch. Let's go. Hop. March it out here. March it out. Hop. Woo! Let's go. Hop. Oh yeah. Let's get ready to go into that grapevine. Here we go. Let's go. Hop. All right, in this grapevine, I want you to add a little knee. 2, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. I knew that I would. Let's go. Woo! 1 more. March it out here. Oh yeah. Push it out. Hup. Give me 4, 3, 2. Let's get ready to go back into that step touch. Are you ready? Here we go. Hup. Clap it out if you like. Let's go. Woo. Clap it out. Hup. All right, we're going to go into that single, single, double. Are you ready? Here we go. Take it. Single, single, 2. Single, single, give me 2. Take it over. 1 more. All right, from here, let's give me 2. 2, 2. Side to side. Let's go. Woo! We got 4, 3, 2. March it out here. Woo! I feel nice. How you feeling at home? Or on the job? How you feeling? Let's go. We're gonna walk it up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up. Let's go. Hup. Woo! Oh yeah. Let's move. Woo! Let's go. Woo! I feel. One more, let's go. March it here. Let's step it forward and back. Let's go. Forward, back. Oh yeah. Woo! I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. March it out here. March it out. All right, we turn to the side. We get ready to go. In 3, 2, 1. Let's step it up and back. So, slight pause in the music. We're gonna keep it moving. Grab water if you need it. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Get ready to march it out here. March it out. Let's wait for the next song. All right, let's go step touch here. All right, step touch, walk it up. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Take it back. Hop. Ain't no stopping us now. Let's go. Hop. Take it back. Hop. Ain't no stopping now. You're more than just a tad bit over halfway there yet. Not quite. But it ain't no stopping because you done already got started. Keep that step touch. Let's go. Hup. Woo. Oh yeah, let's go. Alright, I want you to tap it forward. Here we go. Hup. Can you get ready to take it back? Here we go. Take it back. Step back. Let's get ready to march it out here. March it out. Shake those arms. Roll those shoulders. Because guess what? We're getting ready to use it. Place those hands on top of your shoulders. Reach up to the ceiling. Here we go. Whoop. Let's go. Whoop. Ain't no stopping. Push it out. Huh? 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Alright, march it here. Let's go. Huh? You feel those shoulders working? Let's go back into that step touch. Here we go. Let's go. Huh? Clap it out. Alright, we're getting ready to work some chest press. Let's go. Take it in, out. Oh yeah, let's go. March it out here, march it out. Let's go. Hup. We're gonna walk it up in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ho. Woo. Oh yeah. Let's go. Hup. Hup. 2 more. Hup. Last one. All right, I want you to step it forward, forward, back. And if you want a little shimmy, come on now. Woo. All right, keeping this step forward and back. We're gonna go right into that step touch. All you're gonna do is turn. Here we go. Let's go. Hup. Because guess what? We're going to go to the other side. Step it forward and back. Oh yeah. Hup. Guess what? We're getting ready to walk it forward. Oh yeah, it's 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Oh. Hup. Woo! Oh yeah, 2 more. Last one. March it out here. Woo! Oh yeah, let's go. Hup. Push it out, let's go. Hup. Alright, let's tap it in front. Let's go. Hup. Oh yeah. We get ready to take it back. Let's go. Let's march it out here. March it out. Hup. Woo! March it out. Hup. Ain't no stopping us. You showed up. You did the work. Keep pushing. Guess what? You just have one more song left. I know it went by so fast, right? So much fun. I know it was quick. But you guys, y'all showed up. Keep marching here. Let's go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. March it out. Let's march it out. Let's go. We're going to go into a diagonal, shuffle 2, 2. We'll come back. Follow me in 4, 3, 2. You can add those arms if you like. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, I never can say goodbye. Take it back. Let's go. Hup. Scoop it up. Let's do that again. Woo. Take it back. Let's work. Woo. Give me that step touch. If you've heard these songs in my other workouts, it's okay. We're just having a good time, right? Woo! Let's go. Hup. Tap it out. Oh no, I never could say goodbye. Tap it out. Let's go. Hup. Alright, let's go back into that step touch. Here we go. Now remember, you want to do a little bit of your thighs here. Get low. Let's go. We're getting ready to go into our single doubles. So you're going to give me a single step touch and then 2 to the sides. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's go. Single, double. Oh yeah. 2. Let's go. Hup. Take it over. Woo. Let's go. Hup. Woo. Last one. March it out. Woo. I'm going to let you cool down on your own because we only have a 15-minute workout and I want all of your time. Alright, let's scoop it up for 2. Scoop. 2 more. Take it back. Let's go. Hook. March it out here. March it out. Give me those steps. Woo. Alright, from here, we're going to tap it out to the side. Watch me. Tap, 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 tap. Alright, we're going to add some combinations. You're going to go 4, 3, 2, march it out. 4, 3, 2, tap it out. Let's go. March it out. Let's go. Take it out. Let's go. Hup. March it out. Woo. Take it out. Hup. Last one. March it out. All right, this time I want you to take it out. Take it out here. We're going to take this step out. Walk it up forward. Here we go. Take it back. 4, 3, 2. Take it up. 4, 3, 2. Take it back. Hup. Take it up. Let's go. Hup. Take it back. Hup. Alright, let's go. Hup. Take it back. Hup. One more. Shake it out. Shimmy. Take it back. Hup. March it out here. Woo. Alright. Last one. We're going to take it out, out, in. Watch me. Out, out, in. Oh, yeah. So, let's go. 4, 3, 2. Now you're going to give me 4 marches. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. And you all are finished. See how quickly that went by? Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below how much you enjoyed it. Also, if you want longer workouts, I'll leave it up here. And then also, don't forget to subscribe to my video. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.